paragraph number 6. I cannot emphasize this too much. We should begin it to work in that spirit, and in the course of time, all these angularities means discrepancy, differences of the majority and the minority communities, the Hindu community and the Muslim community. Because even as regards Muslims, you have Pathans, Punjabis, Shia, Sunnis, and so on. And among the Hindus, you have Brahmins, Vaishnavas, Khatris, also Bengalis, and madrasas, and so on, will vanish. Indeed, if you ask me, this has been the biggest hindrance in the way of India to attain freedom and independence. Else, we would have been a free people long ago. So, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah repeatedly promised to non-Muslims security, equality, freedom, and free access to practice their faith in the Islamic State of Pakistan, and wholeheartedly considers non-Muslims as equal and integral members of the state. If Pakistanis work in such spirit, considering themselves as citizens of Pakistan, citizens of the state, all differences, if there are some, like Hindu community, Muslim community, majority community, Muslim community, and then in Muslim community, you have further Shia, Sunnis, Pathans, Punjabis, and in Hindus, you have so many castes like Brahmins, Vaishnavas, Bengalis, so on and so forth, will fade away. So you need to consider yourselves as citizens of Pakistan. And we will not take into account such issues which India is facing, and they have the obstacles in getting progress. So we are not going to take into account such caste and creed beliefs. Whether the people are Shias or Sunnis, whether they belong to Hindu community or Muslim community, we are not going to take such issues into account. We will consider all the people as equal. And such issues we are not going to face. If we are going to take account such issues, definitely we are going to face numerous disasters which India is facing. So if we want to make progress in our country, if we want to see progress in our country, what we need to do is we need to consider ourselves as one. Like all people would be treated as one.